Hello, brother. This video I show you how the uh, cashier POS works. So we can log into cashier POS, and then we log. The password is 123. And here's the interface of the cashier POS. So we have a couple button and functionality here. I will explain you one by one. This is called home button. When you click home, it will show you all the main category that we set up from admin. When you click on the main category, it will show you the subcategory, and when you click on the subcategory again, it will show you all the item, and then when you click on item, it will add this item to the order list here. And here we can just move paging the item master, that something like that. But if you use touch screen, you just slide up, slide left, slide right to move the item. And this button to switch the view, you can show you a layout view, something like that, to show you a big picture. And you click it again to show you us a list view of the item, and click it again to show the card view, same as before. And here we have a couple shortcuts for the navigation of the subcategory. You can click on the subcategory, each subcategory to show all the items. You don't need to click to home, and then click main category and then click subcategory. So it's depend how you navigate for your item. Yes. And this button is for select the table that we set up from the system admin. This one for cancel the check-in table, and this one for refresh the the ordered item here. And this button for the new item is for to add more menu item like open key or some item that you don't have on the menu. So you can click on the new item. It will show you the list of the item, the same as from system admin. So you can find more item, and then you can add on this category, or you can double click on it to make adjust the price or the name, something like that. So after you make some change and then close it, and it will automatically refresh here. If it's not, you just click on the subcategory again to refresh. So in a restaurant, when the customer come, they go to the table, and then you make order. After you make order, you come back to the POS. You click on the room and table to select the table. In here you can see the floor plan that we set up from the system admin. So example, like this customer go to table number 1, I can click table number 1, and I click home to find the items, and or click back to find the item, something like that. So if the customer order does 2 items, after you add the item to the order list, and then you can click on the send order to send those items to the kitchen or to the bar. Or if you don't want to send, just click sell here to sell the order item. So example, I send it, and then it will pop up the send order item to the kitchen. In here it will confirm you again those, show you again those 2 items will send to the to bar printer, and then you can add, make some note like sugar level or oil level or not spicy, or do make more spicy, something like that. And then after you see all the item, and then you can click send automatically. After you click it, those item will automatically print on the kitchen printer or on the bar printer, and here's the ticket that go into prints. Yeah. So after you send, it will return to your table screen automatically. And then if any new customer come to the order table, you can select the table and add the order item and then send, just like before. Or if this existing customer want to order something, you want to order more, you can click on this table again, and then find, okay, click home, and then find item again, espresso, something like that. And then you can send the order again to print the ticket to bar or kitchen. But this time when you send the order, it only send the new item, not all item, and then send automatically. Okay. So here you can see some couple more button here. This button is for resend order. Sometimes your kitchen printer is out of paper, and then you need to resend the order again. And it's free item to make sure that this to identify of this item is just free. Just click on it and free. Now when you set free, you might notice that the price also go back to 0. Yeah. And this table is for change the table. So if now the customer is on the table number 1 and they want to move to number 5, just click on it and then you can select any floor plan and then to number 5 and then yes. And then when you go back to your room and tables again, now you will see it will move from number 1 to number 5 and the items is the same. So if this table asks for the bill, then you can click here. It says print the bill, and when you click print the bills, the receipt printer on the cashier will print the bills. And here's some information that we need to set up from the system. I mean, like your shop information, your logo, and you also can put the QR code on the bill as well, so the customer can scan direct from the bills. So after the print the bill, you can go back to room and table, and now you will see this table is turned to dollar symbol, which means that this table is already print the bill, but we not yet receive the payment from this table. So when we receive the payment from this table, you click this table again, and then here this time you go to payment, and now how many amount that you receive from the customer. So if you receive 20, you can tap on it on touchscreen. You just tap on 20 or 10. If you click multiple times, it will add, it will increase the value. So like now I receive 20, just click on 20. It will show you receive 20 by cash, and then you need to return $2 or 8,000 real. If you receive by real, you can click from the orders this button. If you receive by a payment or Visa card or the order payment, you just click equality, which mean that that you receive amount equal to the total amount of the bill, and then you select the payment type, whether you receive from ABA or Visa card, and those payment type you can set up from system admin as well. Okay, so example I receive 20, and then you can print, sell and print, and sell only. Those just one is just sell the transaction. This one sell the transaction and also print the receipt to the customer, and here the receipt. And the second receipt, we have the receipt amount and the change amount on the receipt as well. Okay, so I will show you a couple more tables here, couple more buttons here, how it works. So let's say I go to table number 2, I order 2 items, and then I send. Okay. So this button is just for exit the program, and this one for make a new sale, or when I add some item, and then I want to remove everything, I can click one by one, or I can click new sale to refresh everything. This button to open cash drawer. When you click this button, it will prompt the cashier password. The cashier password have to provide the password 123, and the cash drawer will automatically open. This button is for expense. Cashier can also add their daily expense, like buy some ice, water into the system, so they know you will know your daily expense. And this button is for discount. Let's say I go to this table. For the discount, we have two parts. We have, if you can see this one also have the discount. When you tap or click on this one, which means that you provide a discount to only this item. So you can click a couple percentage here, or you can apply a fixed discount. So this one you can apply $1, $2, this one by percentage. Okay, so if you click discount from here, which means you discount only this item. But if you click discount from here, which means you discount all the invoice, all the item in the invoice. Okay, and this table is to show you all the existing invoice that we have been sell. I will go back to this one later. And we have a couple more buttons here also to like split the bill or break item or transfer the item from one table to another table. Or you can split the bill that this table have 2 items and they want to split the bill each item as one bill, each item as one bill. We can first we have to select the check-in table first, and then we go to split the bill. And now I just drag and drop, or I just click or tap on this item to move to the order, and then click save. Now when you go to table, you will see this the same table have 2 different bills, and then you can click on it and print the bills the same as before and make payment. I just do a quick payment here, quick payments, and then make payments. Okay, Okay, so and then after you end of your day, you can go to the sale table here to show you how many invoice that you sell today. So before you go to this table, you need to make sure those table already make payment. So when you click on the sale table, it will show you how many invoice that you have been sold, the amount, and the amount you pay by cash or pay by pay order payment type is also shown here. We also have a two report here, summary report to show you all the invoice that we have been sold today and the total amount, how many amount you receive by cash, how many amount you receive by ABA or order payment type will show you here as well. And the audit report is which will show you the detailed item that you have been sold today, like how many drinks that you have been sold, how many coffee, how many food, how many wine that you have been sold today as well. So after you print all those receipt or all those report, when you click on it, it will show you a preview. So you can click the print here or the quick print here, depend on your setup the printer. So after you print those report, you can for those report is also just the invoice detail, but those report is print with the A4 printer, not with the receipt printer. And then you just click on the close sale to close your daily sale here. Okay, and then when you close it, and then it will clear everything, and then you can close the POS, and tomorrow when the cashier come, they can repeat the step again and again. Yeah. Thank you.